already got our stainless steel washing line that we put up and our stainless steel pegs. It hasn't happened that often, but a couple of times I've found that we've needed to hang the sheets up as well. We've only sort of had one day of sunshine to get the clothes dry, and that line there, although it's really good, normally it's just not enough. We've tried hanging stuff inside, but then if you're trying to live inside as well, it's pretty hard. I've got a solution, and it probably only costs about $4 all up, so I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm not taking credit for inventing this clothesline. I actually saw it on YouTube. I tried to find it again. Apparently some experienced traveller actually has been using this method for a long time, and it just makes sense. It's so simple and easy. I'll show you what you need. So for the string, I just went down to the cheap shop and got some clothesline washing line, $2. I'm looking at just under 1 metre of electrical piping. You'll need a drill, you'll need a saw, and that's about it. Let's get into it. I've actually gone for 80 centimetres. I've marked out halfway at 40 centimetres, and then I've actually come in 5 centimetres each end there, and that's where I'll be drilling my holes. So I'm going to cut it in half, drill my holes, and then I'll show you what to do next. I actually found a hacksaw was the easiest saw to use because it's got the finer teeth, and it just seems to cut through this quite well, just like that. So because this is round, I actually found it easier just to put a little bit of a little tap there, so that the drill bit will actually find that, and hopefully stay in the right place as I drill it. Just like that. There you go. So there you've got your 2 holes, 5 centimetres from each end, and obviously the holes here are going to be big enough to actually take your clothesline. That's one down, let's do another one. So you've got 2 identical with the holes at either end. Now I'll show you what to do. All I'm going to do now is get one of these, put my tie through it, put it through a little way, and then using like a fishing knot, I'm going to spin that around 8 times. And bring it back through like that, pull it tight and pull it down, so there's no way that's going to come off. We've got heavy wet sheets on it. Then I'm going to go and work out how far this has to go for the next tie off, and then we'll bring it back around again. Let's go and do that. So starting where I'd tied it off, I just ran it through around this pipe here, and then back down this side here, pulled it a bit tight and tied it off. So I'll show you how it actually works. So these just come undone like that, and so all you do is you put it over the top. You put it over the top like that, and then these just tuck in. Just tuck in like that. And that's not going to go anywhere. And the same on the other side, over the top and under. And that's it, that's your line. So, as I said, we've still got our good line here, but now we can hang some sheets up or some towels up, and yeah, not a bad idea. So it packs up pretty well. What you need to do is probably put a rubber band around that to hold it, but that could go in your drawer and just bring it out when you need it. Good idea. What do you think about your new clothesline?
Yeah, that's easy to put up.
It's not going to take the place of our other one, but just sort of...
No, this is the best one, but that's always there.
I know, but that was pretty easy to put up, eh?
Yeah, I think you saw someone else put a post up.
Yep,
didn't you?
yep, yep, I've already admitted to that.
Oh,
Yeah,
very
no,
good.
thank you, bye. It's just the water's just pouring off here, look at this. Just pouring off. And all of the swag is absolutely drenched.